Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at the spare faceplates. Trendi Switch products can have their faceplates changed depending on the colour that you feel at the time. For example, you will receive your spare faceplates in packages similar to this, or as always, your usual barcode. When you open the packet, you will have your faceplate and a set of instructions. To replace and swap the faceplates, you can simply remove the old one and replace with the new one. As such, faceplates can be used on various products. For more information, please check with your listing. For anything else, please visit www.trendyswitch.com or give us a call.